You have a smartphone, you want to make some money on social media, you now can. We have an app on the App Store. It's called Noise. Go check it out. What would you want to say to them before we wrap up?
Anyone can do it. Anyone can go viral.
Easy peasy.
I mean, there are so many stories of people who've downloaded our app. And what's fascinating is more people are excited about getting 10,000 or 15,000 views on their content than they are about
Yes,
making
that is
$50.
interesting. That's an interesting phenomenon.
It is harder to get 15,000 views on a piece of content than it is to make $50 every single day.
You can make $50 a lot of different ways.
Yes.
People have never felt the thrill of going viral
Yes.
until they go viral.